Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Linga Reddy Chemistry. In biomolecules chapter, today topics are enzymes and vitamins. Enzymes and vitamins. Enzymes. These enzymes has a main role in our body. Life is possible due to the coordination of various chemical reactions. Even I am talking means so many reactions are taking place in my body. We have some sense, we have some feelings, we are thinking something, we are sensing something, we are smelling, we are tasting. Means these all are related to some chemical reactions only. Whenever you are watching some beauty flower or any something, then immediately you are getting some happiness, some feelings. So inside in your body, in your mind, so many reactions takes place. That chemical reactions has main role in our day-to-day life. Okay, so these reactions takes place by enzymes. These reactions takes place by enzymes. The enzymes are just like we learned in the previous chapters, some catalysts we learned. So similar functioning of catalyst these enzymes are doing, but these enzymes are very specific. The enzyme is required very smaller quantities enough, but more efficiently working and specific work it is doing. Specific work. These enzymes are very specific. The temperature and pH value also should be same. If so much variation is there in the temperature, at least 5 to 10 degrees Celsius variation, up to 5 degrees Celsius में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन more than 5 degrees Celsius variation is there, then so many reactions cannot takes place. Maximum delta T variation 5 degrees Celsius, it's okay. If more than this, then so many reactions cannot takes place. pH also maximum 1 to 2, there is no much change, but if you change your blood pH value more than 2 delta pH I can say, then so many reactions cannot take place, because some reaction takes place at 8, some reaction takes place at 7.5. 7.5 is the base. Suppose your blood pH is 6.5 is there, 6.5 is there, so it is acidic. So some reactions cannot take place in acidic medium, which reactions are carrying on the basic medium. That's why so many problems will rise by changing the specific conditions like pH, temperature also. That's why our body is maintaining temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Either you will go in hot condition or very cold condition, cold weather, kaise bhi ho, but your body temperature is maintaining only 37 degrees Celsius, right? So like that, even your body blood pH value also approximately around 7.3, your blood pH value, okay, 7.3, little basic. So it is also fixed. Suppose if you are taking some food, acidic food, there is no change in your blood pH. If you take basic food, basic nature food, there is no change in your blood pH value, right? So it is maintaining that nature is called buffer solution. So blood is a buffer solution that you learned in the equilibrium chapter, class 11. Now, the living organism, so these chemical reactions in living organisms means digestion system में, liver, brain, so many places में these reactions takes place. And example is digestion of food. वो digestion हो रहा है मतलब chemical reaction है. Absorption of appropriate molecules and ultimately production of energy. Carbohydrates. See, you can see the TV ads. Glucon D, take it, immediate energy you will get it. Glucon D में क्या है? Glucose, carbohydrates are there. When you are taking carbohydrates, immediately glycolysis process में you will get energy, immediate energy you will get it. So there so many reactions takes place. This process involves a sequence of reactions. Sequence, not only single reactions, so many reactions are there. All these reactions occur in the body under very mild condition. This occurs with the help of certain biocatalysts called enzymes. So these many reactions takes place in the presence of some catalyst. So in our body, those catalysts only is known as enzymes, right? These enzymes, almost all the enzymes are globular proteins. In the last class we discussed the proteins structure, globular protein and fibrous proteins. ओके, ये बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटीज में होने वाला वो सब ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन्स है. ये फाइब्रस प्रोटीन्स कहाँ रहता है? वो हेयर में रहता है, ठीक है, वो नेल्स में रहता है, वो फाइब्रस वाला. नेक्स्ट, ये ग्लोबुलर हीमोग्लोबिन. Enzymes are very specific for a particular reaction and for a particular substrate. हर एक सबस्ट्रेट मतलब इनडायरेक्टली रिएक्टेंट. हर एक रिएक्शन के लिए अलग अलग एंजाइम्स रहता है. वन एंजाइम कैन डू ओनली वन फंक्शन, दैट टू स्पेसिफिक एंड मोर एफिशिएंटली इट विल वर्क. मोर एफिशिएंटली क्यों इसलिए बोल रहे मैं? स्मॉलर अमाउंट एंजाइम कैन डू द कंटिन्यूअस रिएक्शन. सो मेनी, whatever you are taking food, this food is completely digestion takes place by a smaller amount of some enzymes. Okay, they are generally named after the compound or class of compounds upon which they work. वो नेमिंग कैसे होता है? वो कंपाउंड के बाद नेम एक सफिक्स होगा, नहीं तो व्हाट इज द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ दैट एंजाइम, वो फंक्शनिंग का नेम होगा, ठीक है. दैट इज द थिंग. एग्जाम्पल, द एंजाइम दैट कैटालाइजेस हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ माल्टोज. माल्टोज को हाइड्रोलिसिस करने वाला, हाइड्रोलिसिस करके क्या बनेगा? वो ग्लूकोज बनेगा. इट इज अ डाइसैकेराइड, इट इज अ मोनोसैकेराइड. सो माल्टोज को हाइड्रोलिसिस करने वाला एंजाइम को बोलते हैं माल्टेज. ओके, सुक्रोज को करने वाला सुक्रेज, like that is named as maltase. Some enzymes are also named after the reaction, where they are used. For example, the enzymes which catalyze the oxidation of one substrate with simultaneously reduction of another substrate are named as ऑक्सीडोरिडक्टेज एंजाइम. नेम्स तो दो तरीके रहता है. एक तो माल्टेज को हाइड्रोलिसिस करने वाला वो माल्टोज को हाइड्रोलिसिस करने वाला वो माल्टेज था. कुछ ऐसा भी रख सकते बेस्ड ऑन द रिएक्शन. एक एंजाइम है एक्स जेड एंजाइम इज देयर, दैट जेड एंजाइम इज डूइंग ऑक्सीडेशन एज वेल एज रिडक्शन. ओके, सो ऑक्सीडो रिडक्टेज. सर ये एज क्यों आ गया? मतलब वो एज इज द कॉमन इन ऑल. द एंडिंग ऑफ द नेम ऑफ एन एंजाइम इज एज. वो एज इज द कॉमन फॉर ऑल एंजाइम्स. आप ठीक है, सुक्रोलेज, माल्टेज, ऑक्सीडो रिडक्टेज, एज इज द कॉमन. सो अभी हियर यू कैन सी टू टाइप्स. वन इज substrate name and age. Other one type of reaction and age. और ये दो तरीका रहता है. Next, mechanism of enzyme action. Enzymes are needed only in small quantities for the progress of reaction. Similar to the action of chemical catalyst, enzymes are said to reduce the magnitude of activation energy. For example, activation energy for acid hydrolysis of sucrose is 6.22 kilojoule per mole, while the activation energy is only 2.15 kilojoule per mole when hydrolyzed by the enzyme. Sucrase mechanism already we discussed. See what's happening here. What is the functioning of this? Activation energy for hydrolysis of sucrose. Sucrose is there. What is sucrose? C12H22O11 is there. While hydrolysis, it is forming C6H12O6. Okay. Now, the sucrose is there. The sucrose, while hydrolysis, it's forming glucose and fructose. For that, 6.2 kilojoule per mole energy is required for hydrolysis. Suppose if you use the catalyst, that is enzyme, of course, sucrase, if you are using sucrase, you can see here, sucrase, then it's required only 2.15 kilojoule per mole. Okay, if I show you the graphical lines, the reactant, it is forming product, it should be cross over some energy barrier, so this is known as activation energy. This is the activation energy. Okay, if you use the catalyst, what will happen, this reactant to product जाने के लिए बस इतना enough है. So what is this? This is also activation energy, but activation energy now it's reduced only just 2.15. Before it is approximately 6.2. Okay, so this thing happening while you are using enzymes, right? This is the main difference. Whenever activation energy decreases, then obviously reactant to product, this process is going very fast. Next, okay, vitamins we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.